To make a private listing in Etsy, you need to have an existing shop and listings on the platform. Start by logging into your Etsy account and going to your shop manager. Click on the Listings tab and then select the listing you want to make private. In the listing settings, scroll down to the visibility section. You will see a drop-down menu that says who can see this listing. By default, it is set to everyone. Click on the drop-down menu and select only people with the link. This will make your listing private and only accessible to people who have the direct link. You can also choose to make a listing private when you are creating a new listing. In the Create a Listing page, scroll down to the Visibility section and select only people with the link from the drop-down menu. When a listing is private, it will not appear in your shop or in search results. However, you can still share the link with potential buyers or use it to discuss prices or details with them. It is essential to note that private listings are still subject to Etsy's policies and guidelines. You must ensure that your private listings comply with all of Etsy's rules and regulations. Making a private listing in Etsy can be a useful tool for sellers who want to offer custom or personalized items, or for those who want to negotiate prices with buyers directly. By following these steps, you can create private listings and take advantage of this feature to grow your business on Etsy. Remember to always follow Etsy's guidelines and best practices when creating and managing your listings, whether they are public or private. This will help you maintain a successful and trustworthy shop on the platform.